All right, hey everyone, we're gonna have a little machining work today, okay? It's a Chinesium mill, but I tell you, if you know how to work it, you know how to work it. So you see here, these, let me get a little closer. We ground these the other day when we were doing the LS front seal. We had to grind these so this would hook around the pulley enough, and they were still barely holding on. So we're gonna machine these out some more so it'll clearance the pulley. So that's what we're gonna do today. Might be boring to some of you guys, but just bear with us. So we're going to clamp her up in here, sitting on a parallel. Hand to it. Never hit this with a hammer.
Never.
Can't stand that. Okay. We'll maneuver this thing. I'm using a carbide end mill because I don't want to ruin one of my high-speed end mills on this.
Should you wear eye pro or glasses?
Yes, absolutely. Wear eye protection. Absolutely. Never just go on this thing half-baked. Because I guarantee you, if you do, it's going to bite you every time. All right, I'm going to take it down to that place back down here, Juan. Okay, right down to there. Okay? I'm going to take it right down to there. So I'm not going to go full force on it yet. Oh, I don't have my digital readout in there, but that's okay. All right, fire it up. You're gonna have to figure out the noise. It shouldn't be that bad. Take a look at the smaller bike. The jaws were harder than I thought they were. Okay, a little bit more. I don't have automatic feed on this. Well, it does. My arms are automatic feed. Now these don't have to be precise. This is just a clearance thing, just to clearance out the, so it'll go around the pulley. So I just hit it with a lick of prayer. So I could have took probably another 30, about a 30-second on it, maybe 64th, but what do you think, Juan?
That looks pretty good.
That'll look all right. So
remember, the goal is to work.
Yes.
Not to look perfect.
That's right. Okay.
See, guys, what was happening is every time this will clamp onto the actual pulley, this will push it out because of how uneven it was with the surface of the pulley, the actual balancer. So what he's doing is milling it down so it could be smooth and even, so we don't run into the issue again.
So here's the other one. Let them compare the two while I'm with them. See, so I just clearanced it so it'll go down around the pulley more and catch in that pulley. All right. So that's what we're doing. Cool. Hey, all, this is the first time Juan's ever run one of these. Have a little step in the back there. Go back and forth and start slowly inching back. And you'll take the step and blend right in. And even if you take a little bit more on the back side, it doesn't matter. Just getting rid of the step, that's all. Yeah? Cool beans. Número 3. Completed. All right.
I learn better doing stuff.
That's right. Absolutely. Okay, guys. We'll throw this up. It's just a little thing, a little short thing, but that's fine. Okay? We'll get her going. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Make comments.